Kolter Homes. Homes that are built around you. The Whitney floor plan offers a variety of ways to easily add and convert spaces to meet your needs. Here are just a few of the possibilities. Let's start at the front of the house with the garage. A garage provides convenience, flexibility, and extra storage space. If you're looking for more stow space, you can extend the garage by 4 feet, giving you an extra 128 square feet. Another way to get more square footage is to extend the rear of the house. You can extend the owner's suite and the lanai by 4 feet, giving you roughly 70 additional square feet. For your flexibility, you can convert bedroom 2 and flex space to an in-law suite with its own living room. This allows you to have your family nearby while giving them plenty of privacy. Maybe you have been looking for a perfect place for your home office. We can convert the den into a study, complete with double doors. Some options don't have to be huge to make a big impact. Here is an example where you can have quick access from the owner's suite to the laundry room by adding a door in the walk-in closet. This smart but little option provides a whole lot of convenience. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.